Come on, look at this though.
What the fuck? What was that? What?
Okay, we're on our way. Now, can you look at the screen and help me for a second?
Yeah.
Okay, we're... No, stop. What if...
Whoa! What is in the car, bro?
Change the hazel. The hazel? Yeah, change the hazel. Oh.
Vi har jo sådan en ude for haven, hvor vi står som i blandet i for eksempel med et eller andet ude. Nej, det er ikke noget. Snakker om.
Josh.
I don't know.
I wanted to ask you some questions for this TikTok video.
The fuck is that?